No.
The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado watch number 102 in effect until 11 p.m. CDT this evening for the following areas. In Kansas, this watch includes 19 counties. In central Kansas, Barton, Marion, Russell, Ellsworth, McPherson, Saline, Lincoln, and Rice. In east central Kansas, Chase County. In south central Kansas, Butler, Harvey, Sedgwick, Cowley, Kingman, Sumner, Harper, and Reno, and in southeast Kansas, Elk and Greenwood. Once again, tornado watch number 102 in effect until 11 p.m. this evening for a large part of the listening area. Make sure to keep your eyes to the sky and be prepared to act if a warning is issued for your area.